12,000 tickets selling in 45 minutes. And I come contemplate the dog influence.
May I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them.
Yes, people don't know in a Media Fox, you know. You see me? Yeah man, you don't know. Bless up to everybody, you see me? Yeah man, so. Today I come to talk about, boy, Jano. I tell about them guys are sheep here, you know. People, I not even say Vybz Kartel, you know. I'm sheep, them. It's like, them not no brain people. Sometimes when them attack, it's like, I don't feed them, I don't know where them having them brain or whatsoever. Because something what them say, it even make no sense. You understand? Because, I'm going to say, 12,000 tickets sold out and one bag of thing. People, this is the thing. Vybz Kartel go prison, spend 13 years. Nobody not see this man for 13 years, people. This 12,000 ticket whatsoever, like, they might make it be this wow and all of them look a thing. I know some people are going to say a bad mind or whatever, but people, pre this. Like, how much artists go prison for 13 years? Like, if somebody, like, if you have family or friends or whatsoever, right, people? If them not see you for how long? Zine, if them not see you for how long? What you think? How them are going to react? Like, them are going somewhere, them are going to jump and say, yo, we're going a long time, Ray. One bag of thing, people. You understand? So this brother go go on like say, Kartel did their road. Like every other artist, and I make them moves and all of them look something. Yeah. You understand? Because before, Kartel never really do this. You understand? Kartel couldn't get certain things. Him couldn't fly go certain place. USA him couldn't go England. All of them look something. Yeah. So when you know say yo, once him go them place, it is expected. But them are going like say it not expected and them make it look like say yo, this history and Ray and Tay and you understand, like, come on, if you not see somebody all long, you know must expect it say the anticipation people are gonna buy this and want to see them artists and all of them look thing there. Ain't people? At that more I know. Because some of my time when them talk it's like, bro, it's like we not understand this. Like it different from when an artist I do shows and one bag of shows and all of them something there. From an artist where them not see for so long. You must expect say yo 12,000 ticket I go sell out fast. Like, come on, people, man. When I tell about them people and them sheets, and it's like, them not think before them talk. You understand? Them really not think before them talk, people. So, watch out now. You what I'm going to say again.
And the dog powers the dog after I say. The 11 and the 12 and all of the ticket them almost sell out. I'm know the haters them are going to say, oh yeah, because in the lockup. Exactly. In a jail, I still never lose Angler Dancehall. Who else want to try that? Which other artist want to try lock up for 3 years? Which other artist want to try lock up for a year? And see how much energy and angle you can hold on for dancehall for. Or for how long you can hold on for it for. Look, 1 year to 2 years, you can try it. Hence, dog will never see another Vybz Kartel. I tell you now, but I don't like it.
When I just see the clip a while ago, people, Jano. I tell you people, yo, I don't know what's wrong with them guys are sheep, you know. Cause I really sheep, cause when I think Vybz Kartel would I really think them way and say them thing. You understand? When I think Kartel would have say them stupid thing. To be honest. You understand? But if your man I go say, which artist can go prison go spend 3 years, whatsoever year, 1 year, and forward out back yo. I tell you to yo dog, we can't believe this. See I tell you say artists have to go prison now. And prove say them can do what Kartel I do now. Yo, at first me ever hear this. Someone want dancehall artists if you go prison. If you prove what Kartel I do, or try if you do better than what Kartel. Me not understand. Like, wait, then Vybz Kartel go prison. Like he just walk in a prison and say, yo, me I spend 13 years, you know. At that moment, me I wonder if he does do it. If you not make a fan see him for 13 years, so he can come out and keep big shows. At that me I wonder, or he did go prison. For what happened? You understand? For them say with this, why? Is a murder thing or whatever? What? Now that him go prison for. So how comes now dancehall? So wait, the dancehall artist, if you go find one roach now and kill the roach, so then you can go spend what? 6 years, 13 years too? I that to not try if you make the artist incriminate themselves. If you go prove, so then you can do better than what Kartel do. Because Kartel work him way, put in him work for him they know. You understand? Can I go and like say, and the Kartel did their road like, he might do this one big show and all of them look something there. Kartel could go some certain countries and all of them look something there. Him couldn't go certain place. Him could have go in the Caribbean and thing, but him couldn't go US, him could go Canada, him could go certain place. You understand? So, when I make it seems like say, yo, the man did do all sort of thing before him go in a prison, then him come out and him do the same thing. You understand? Some of the time, we don't know wrong with them Gaza sheep and people because sometimes they make it bad for Kartel, me I tell you. They make it bad. Because I can't believe a man go get up and say, which artist can do a Kartel to go in a prison for 1 year, 3 years? Like how people, I don't know, how people think about them thing there. I don't understand. Like Kartel in their business about 30 years. Like them young little artists out, them money just a forward. You understand? Them just a forward right now. Is what I'm trying to say. Kartel I get to me right now, Kartel little time now, little prime now, all of them little something because you wouldn't say him prime in a prison car and I like saying the day road and I do one bag of shoes and all of them thing there. And now to me would have be Kartel prime. You understand? Yeah. Back then in the prison I was in pre-prime, but now I'm prime where him sang them, him a book for big shows all over the world. You understand? I saw when an artist just boss. When an artist just bossing on people. I saw it going on. Boss, get bookings, I run the place, and then him a do beer shows all overseas. That are them prime. When there's a lot of attraction, people are talk about them and all of them because something there. Him a do shows and all of them things all over the world. That are them prime. You understand? We wouldn't say him prime really in a prison. You see, it would have maybe be a pre-prime, but your prime I like when you just bust forward out in the street and you just do beer shows and song and way. So film prime now when you can say, yo, me there road and I do my shows and all of them look something. But these guys are sheep, brother, you want dancehall artists to go prison. If you prove what Kartel I do, this has to be studied. I tell people this has to be studied. It has to be studied. Because they might keep on talk about this, yeah. In just as about, yeah, Jim did their prison. But that's the facts. That is the facts. It's different from when an artist are seen every day from an artist when I see none at all. You understand? You can't compare an artist where people not see for 13 years with artists where people are see every day for 13 years. You understand? So some of the time when I talk like say, yo, bro, the man just have solo shows. It is expected. You think 13 years in a lock up a boy? And a joke thing that. So people are going to see him. Because remember when Kartel in 2011 and them time there when Kartel I do him thing around the place with him sang them and all of them little thing there. Right? Remember say him never did a fly go US and certain little place, you know. Zine, him never did do all of them something there. So when him forward out now, him gonna do all of that now. You understand? Yeah, that's why I'm gonna drop him little music video them and him little theme old song them and thing, which is a good thing for him. Because if you have a better time go and focus but do video them for the old song them and kinda get back a little light and you understand? Yeah. Seem like Charlie Box Party and the man will drop and then boom. After things will start booming feet, you see me? But it's a good look. To me, better time go and do that. So I'm saying them when you do no video for, and just go and do that and go and boom up him thing. But the new thing them it not really connect to the people them like that, you see me? Yeah, new thing them not really connect to the people them like. So better go and just do the video for the music them, the old music them where people know, like where film genre know, like film people them know. Yeah, wake up back them song there, you see me? Make it look fresh, brush off the cobweb and all of them because something, you see me? Make it look fresh, do back a video them and all of them thing there. But with these type of sheep people, I tell you, they make things look bad for the artists, man. I see it, cause down the line, the next year or 2 or 3, what go on now it can't go happen. Because it don't happen already. You understand? It don't happen already. Some of the time man talk about Beanie and Ray. Beanie been there and done that. Beanie Prime gone already. You understand? Beanie Prime gone long time. I just a man catalog and thing when him set in a dancehall and all of them something. Him just a go and do him thing right now. You see me? Kartel Prime would I say, yo, we start, you know, where I tour the world and all of them look something there. Him there UK, him there US, him maybe soon go Canada. Him there all over the place with shows. Same like when an artist just bust and them a tour all over the place. You understand? So all of this, it just not make no sense, people. Them guys are sheep. I say something where, yo, I don't know if them have brain or them think what them really attack. You understand? Because I don't know which Jamaican artists I go put themselves in a situation where, yo, one guy prison, I go spend 5 years, 10 years and come out back. So I can get the impact with Kartel get. I don't know which dancehall any dancehall artists do that. Them a bat. That me I tell you. So I don't know where I bring up. I don't know how somebody will bring up that. Like, I don't want people incriminate themselves and send themselves to prison for proof by music. Like, imagine this. Ninja Man. and Laden them and Tommy Lee. Them man they go prison. Like, them not do a cartel though. They maybe not have the powers the cartel have to do that, or they maybe not have the brain. You understand? Cartel they have to do what him do so him could take care of him family. You see me? Him have the links. You don't know him and the industry connect already. You understand? Yeah. So that's why you see them highlight him now. You see me? Them highlight him. And them say other artists them not do nothing but which other artists them do things, but it's just that them prep him up. Says like when other artists them do them thing, them not pay them the artist no mind, cause him in the space now. You understand? So all that to say people, the dancehall artists now going to prison for proof to no one. When you want man them do them freedom, so what? You think Anna Puss and Dog now you see him lucky, you know? Now Vybz Kartel go prison for 13 years and come back out and rare fee say every artist it go happen too. You understand? Because I be a young artist in the business right now. Like most of the artists them go prison. Not have the length of career where Kartel have. You understand? Kartel build him thing. You see me? Him build him thing. So and him create him impact and all of them look something there. So that different from an artist. Them young artists are way forward up. I say Kartel are 49, you know, something no one really expect, you know. You understand? Enough of them young artists in the game for 30 years yet. So now I want to compare and talk about artists who do this and go here. Like that you even forward up and talking about right now. Going to prison or whatsoever. You see me? That now make no sense. You see it? But you don't know. The artists them a do them thing, Kartel a do them thing. Just for upon prison fresh and them a do them thing. I'm going to get him solo shows them. You understand? And then things are go back to normal. You understand? I just saw the thing go. You would have said basically Kartel bust back again. See, I know him bust already, but it's like him bust back again. Based on what happened now. We might do one bag of shows and all of them look something there. You understand? Because back then he never did do no one bag of shows all over the world. So you say if he did that do it back then, the one bag of shows them and all of them something there and I pull all them big crowd and all of them something. Yeah, I could have said yeah, but he might do it now. You understand? And now he might do it. He never really do it back then. So everything we might do is fresh to him. You understand? Tickets are go sold out. All sort of things are go sold out. Remember him create impact. So all of that energy there I go put back in them things them there road and I'm getting visa them at these shows and every little thing. You see me? Yeah man people. Yes people, you don't know. Why you know. Lisa Hype. I tell people it's a good look for Lisa Hype, I tell her cause she a trying, she say she DJ from she 16 and all of them look at something there. You see me? Yeah, but she have a little word of advice to say, look here.
My music or my next move. You know, like I don't have any time for that. You know, what I do want you guys to know is that I'm very serious about my career and I take my career very seriously. So, you know, I don't play about that. And even the past month ago, you can see that because if me checking my so-called boss about him sabotaging my career is to show you that I don't give a you know, I take my career very seriously and I've been, over the years, I've been sewing. I put in a lot of work because I've been doing music from the age of 16. So, listen, I'm just focusing on me right now. It's all about me right now. It's all about me right now. It's all about me right now. I don't care about nothing and no one else. No. I don't care. Right now, I'm on my own right now. I'm on my own. It's all about Lisa Hyper, Felicia Gooden. I don't care about no one and nothing but me and my career, my brand, and my team. That's who I care about right now. I'm not looking back. You know, I'm not looking back. I'm not, you know, only person right now I need is God.
You hear that, Dex?
Yes, people, you don't know. You know, she explains how she focus on her music and, you know, she not focus on the negativity and she do her own thing now. She not meds them people and all of them. Look, a good move that Lisa, is it? Because if you see what going with her in the media right now, see? People are welcome her, people are support her, you know, and her new music them is a good thing, you see me? She have a little music where, you see me? We are going for her and thing. When you hear it in the street, people are giving her support. Me not lie. At first, I see people really support her in another way. And, you know, the other day she found out the little breakdown between she and her, as she says, so-called boss and every little thing, you see me? Yeah, and it's a good look for Lisa Hype. And sometimes there have to be changes and sometimes you have to just boss up and just do your own thing, you see me? You see, when you have control of your own thing, sometimes it will more go your way, you understand? You know, if you feel uncomfortable to do certain things, you see me? Because the music game, I don't want an easy game, you know? Yeah, man, the music game, I don't want an easy game, I tell the people. Not an easy game. So, she do her thing, she do her music. I see she do a lot of music video and all of them look something there. So it's a good look, people. I not lie. It's a good look for her. And would I love to see she get the break. You understand? Yeah, man. Would I love to see she get that hit song there and start tour down the place. And you understand? Yeah. I rate the energy where she have forward it back and she not pre the energy. You know, go and promote her thing and you know, I see a lot of elderly people are welcome her and you know, it's a good look.
That yet they ain't gonna accomplish that ever. Trust me on that. Like nobody can get me give up on my music. Nobody. So as I say, like they might you know, whatever they're doing, whatever they're trying, it might slow me down, but it can't stop me. I'm very persistent. I'm very persistent and I have no fear in me. No fear. Right? God never blessed me with the I don't have the spirit of fear in me. You know, I really don't. So that will never happen. You know, and the more they fight me, the more they do what they're doing, it's just makes me stronger and make me come back even more powerful. So I ain't even worried about them, you know. Really and truly, I'm not worried about my haters. I'm not worried about people who are trying to stop me or blackball me. I ain't worried about that. Trust me. You know. Trust me. So
it's a good look, people. For Lisa Hype, you see it? Yeah, man, it's a good look for Lisa Hype, man. She for just continue on her journey, go and focus on her work. You see me? Yeah, man, go and focus on her work and thing. Push out her music. Just push out music. Let me tell you this, you could have put out 100 music, you know. One must hit. You understand? Yeah, man, one must hit, man. So she for just go and focus on her thing and focus on her craft and, you know, get more better in the music and, you know, one day, one out, you know, she'll get that big break there, you know. Just focus on her journey. She'll go out there, tour the world and all of them look something, you see me? Just focus on her thing, go and work on her stage craft and all of them look something. And really pre the negativity, because sometimes it kind of stray her from certain things. Hope she get a, you know, have a wonderful, she says she have a wonderful team around her, team and support her and thing. But I love to see the reaction, the way people are support her thing, you understand? And I just feel like say, yo, our time soon is soon, coming around soon. I just feel so, you see me? The energy and everything when I say she get, I feel like say she'll get her break. You see me? Yeah, man. I feel like she'll get her break, people. You see it? Yeah, man. But Lisa Hype do her thing. I'm glad say she back and up and ready for the music. Yeah, man. Focus on the music, man. You see me? Focus on the positivity. Because that will carry her far, far away. You understand? Yeah, man. Focus on that, people. Because the negativity right now that I just drain energy and, you know, put in something and, you know. But I love that. I love what she focus on her thing, people. You understand? It's a good look. You see me? And it's a girl where I try and thing. You see me? Yeah, but you don't know how it go in a life. You have your enemies that try things with you, all sort of thing. You understand? But people, you don't know, you know. Just go and support the music and every little thing. You see me? So, yeah, man. People who don't know, media facts, you know. Yeah, man. That is it.